how to pick a microphone and a webcam you want to use in Discord. Here on the bottom left you see this cogwheel with user settings. If you click on this, in the tab app settings, it says voice and video. I'm going to click on that. Here you have a default device. This is the microphone, so we click on this and we can select the microphone we want to use. So for me, this is the mic from the Wave XLR. Default output, we can select what is your headphones. For me, because I use the Wavelink software, I'm going to select the voice chat, but for you this might be Realtek audio or any other audio device you're using for your headphones or your speakers. Here we can click on test and we can see you can test it. Sorry for the echo, but yeah, you can test it like that. You can change the input volume of your microphone so you can make it less loud. You can't make it louder than 100%, sadly. And the output volume of what you hear through your headphones. This is 100%, but you can make it louder. Here we have input mode. How do you talk in Discord? You can either do voice activation. If you start talking, it will pick up automatically and start recognizing that you're talking and turn on your microphone. With push to talk, you need to click a button and then it will activate. So if I click this, you'll see our shortcut is this tilde thing. If I click that, that means that then my microphone will turn on, and if I don't click it, no microphone will go on. We can have a release delay for if you're releasing it too quickly every time. With the voice activation, we can see this bar, and we can see where our voice is ending. So as we see, our voice is actually a little higher than this threshold. So this means that if we put up this threshold a little bit, it won't cut off because we're still above it. But if you have background noise, it will be somewhere here and it will cut off the background noise. We can also automatically determine it by clicking on here, and now it automatically tries to find the best way to do it. But I think if you untake it here, you can manually do it. You get a better result and a more precise result. Now, if we scroll down, we see video settings. This is where you see which webcam you want to use. Here you can choose the camera. We can choose any of these cameras that I've connected. So let's see my back camera. I think that's HDMI 3. And we can test the video here so we can see what's happening. Yeah, that's my back camera. Hello, hello, hello. So you can see I'm using that right here in the video settings, and we can switch here to whatever we want, and we can always look at the preview here. You can also click on always preview. Then every time you click on something else, you automatically see the preview. And we can also set one of these virtual backgrounds, like we can do a background blur. It's gonna work pretty bad because, well, it doesn't recognize my face, but if I turn around, it recognizes my face and it's gonna make that sharp. You can also have a custom one and have something like this, and it automatically recognizes your face. And it's gonna put that in, but it works a little better with a front camera than it does with the back camera. You can basically choose any of these and it will automatically green screen. Then we got some advanced options here. Discord only uses the best organic, locally sourced Optium voice codec. This is where you can turn on the OpenH 264 video codec, or turn it off if you don't want it, and the hardware acceleration. If you don't know anything about computers, just leave it as it is. Here we have echo cancellation. If you have echoing of your microphone, if you click this on, there might be a chance that the program can resolve that. The noise suppression, this is trying to reduce the sounds around you, for example, your computer fans or a train passing by. We can have standard, crisp, or none. And the more we put on, so if we put it on crisp, the more it's going to affect our voice as well. So we want it to be as low as possible, but still without any noise in the background. We can automatically control the gain of the microphone, which makes it go louder if you talk really quietly. Enable quality of service high packet priority. You can say that basically from all the internet users you're using, Discord is gonna get priority in your router if you turn this on. Lowering the volume of other appliances by percentage when somebody is speaking, set to 0% to completely disable. So if somebody's speaking and you're playing a game, it will lower automatically if you turn this on, so you can hear that person more clearly. When I speak, you can turn that on when you speak yourself as well, or just when others speak. Another one that's important to keep on is voice diagnostics. Show a warning when Discord is not detecting audio from your microphone. This way you know when your microphone isn't attached properly. Those are the most vital parts for attaching a microphone and your webcam and using them in Discord. If you want to know more about Discord, make sure to hop into this playlist and I'll see you right there.